Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. Today we're going to have a look at the mouth declicker effect from Accusonus. Now the mouth declicker is a plug-in effect and it works on Mac and Windows. It'll install as a VST effect or audio units or in Pro Tools. So you can use it in anything, but I'm going to show you it in Premiere Pro. I just want to show you on the Accusonus website where it is, the bundles that you can get, and the fact that you can get a perpetual license for a standard bundle. So on Accusonus.com, right at the top, it's showing you that at this time you can grab the mouth declicker, get some more information on it, and it's part of the standard and the Pro bundle. So if we go to the standard bundle, buy now, and the standard bundle, you can get a subscription or there is a perpetual. For the Pro bundle, there's also a perpetual. I had a lot of people ask me if you can still buy perpetual licenses. As you can. You get the Pro bundle or the standard bundle. There's a creative bundle, which is licensed. So there's lots of different ways. So check out the Accusonus website. Now I've got an example here. I didn't have a good example of this. And what the problem is, it's when people make smacking noises with their saliva and crackling noises, and it can be very distracting. And the mouth declicker will find just those and remove them. Now, I do want to set your expectations. This example that I created, anybody who talks this poorly probably shouldn't be on camera. I'm doing it over the top just to show you how much of a difference. So if someone does it an average amount, then this will eliminate that. But if they're doing it a crazy amount like me, then you'll reduce it enough that it's not a problem. Because you have to understand that the same clicking sounds that are made accidentally are also part of how we pronounce words. Even the word click, it's got some crackling in it. So let's listen to my over-the-top example and then we'll remove it. I didn't have any good mouth clicking examples, so I'm going to make one. Bit of peanut butter. It's the same kind of trick that we use with dogs. If you want to have fun with a dog, give a dog a little bit of peanut butter, and you'll watch them have some fun. Okay, so in the effects, this is if we're doing it by a clip effect. If you just search for mouth, you'll see mouth declicker, and you can drag this onto the clip. It shows up in the effects controls, and there's an edit button that you click on. It will show up here. So this is one way to do it. I also want to show you in the window menu audio track mixer. If you click in the top left side here and open that up, click in here, go down to VST, Accusonus, and there it is. To open it, double click on its name, and it shows up. Why would you use it in a track? You'd use it in a track if this audio was many, many different clips of the same person with the same problem. You wanted to remove it. Maybe this is 10, 20, or 100 clips. Well, you don't want to add that effect 100 times. Add it to the track and it will affect the whole track. So you can see it's pretty simple. There's a big knob and it's how much you're going to remove. Down at the bottom, the normal setting is for continuous repeated mouth noise and saliva crackle that occurs throughout your track. Broad is for audio tracks that feature big individual mouth noises such as lip smacks or tongue smacks. So let's just leave it on normal. Let's go back to the beginning and hit play. I didn't have any good mouth clicking examples, so I'm going to make one. Bit of peanut butter. It's the same kind of trick that. So I'll turn this up. We use with dogs, if you want to have fun with a dog, give a dog a little bit of peanut butter. Now let's just move back a little bit. Watch them have just fun clicking with their mouth. And with a dog, give a dog a little bit of... Okay, so hear that there's a little lip smack that I just move this out of the way there so I can get my playhead. If you want to have fun with a dog, I'll turn it off. Give a dog a little bit of peanut butter, and you can really hear that it's really pronounced. So the little liquidy noises are gone when we turn this on. With dogs, if you want to have fun with a dog, or they're reduced enough that they're not a problem. But let's turn on broad and really listen to this. Same kind of trick that we use with dogs. If you want to have fun with a dog, give it. And if you listen to the difference, that's all the stuff that's being removed. So it's that very high-end clicky stuff that gets removed when you push it too far. So the broad setting is definitely, you can push it too far, but the normal setting, even at 100%, I didn't have a problem. But again, remember, this is not a very good example. I mean, this is not your typical example of how someone will be speaking. It's really over the top. Now, in addition to this, what you might also want to do is reduce the overall noise in the clip. And you can do that by adding another effect in the track. And we could drag it on as a clip effect or as a track effect. So we could add the noise remover, and we could remove the noise. Oh, we're still at difference mode. I'm going to click on this here so I can keep them both open. And some people just have this way of speaking where they're clicking. So it's way better now that I've also removed the noise. But how do you know how much noise and how much declicking? Well, have a look at this. Accusonus has got a great way to do this with one plugin. So let me remove, let's remove this one. Oh, none. And for this one, we'll go to our VST3, Accusonus, and choose Audio Cleanup Assistant. All right, let's open this up. It gives you 5 slots for 5 different effects, and it gives you some great presets. Like, how about this? Clear Home Podcast. And look what the first thing is. Mouth declicker. Then it goes to the noise remover, then the reverb remover, and the de-esser. I'm just going to turn the voice leveler off because it's a little deceiving to have this giant volume change. So give a dog a little bit of peanut butter, and you'll watch them some fun clicking with their mouth. And so there you go. That's a real over-the-top example, but still very useful. And you know what? For a normal person who clicks a little bit, it's going to eliminate it completely. But give it a try. There's a 2-week trial that you can try. And if you use VideoRevealed as your coupon, then you'll get a deal from the folks over at Accusonus, who keep bringing us amazing new plugins to help create much better audio with a simple knob that you just turn up or turn down. Hey, if you're new to VideoRevealed and you found this informative, take a moment and subscribe. You want to support us some more? You can do that on VideoRevealed.com on our online store, where you can donate once or monthly, any amount. There's a bunch of free stuff to grab, and there's some great tools and split screens that you can use. Until next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to tell you to not eat peanut butter when you're about to speak on camera.